Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Is it giving holiday? Cue the Christmas music. Hello beautiful people and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I am so excited, so happy that you're here, and I hope you are ready for I had nothing clever to say. But we are decorating my apartment. This is my living room. I don't know where I'm gonna put the tree yet. I'm kind of thinking over here. I'm gonna give you guys like an idea of what I'm thinking. Also, as far as color scheme, we're going with blue because blue couch, and I just love blue. Let's just get into it because I have a whole box full of stuff. I did go to Target and get a few things. And we may be going back to get more. But let me show you what I got so far. Okay, hold on. So I saw this in Target and I couldn't walk away from it. It literally was in the little section. You know when you first walk in Target, it has like those little trinkets and knickknacks and things. And I saw it and I was like, ooh. And it lights up, but I need to get batteries. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. And then I saw this in Target. I just couldn't walk away from it. It has like little frothy stuff on it from the other tree, but that can come off. But so cute. I think it was like $10. I'm using a fake light because it is nighttime, so bear with the lighting. I think I'm gonna put the Christmas tree here where that other plant is, and then we're gonna put some decor here. We're gonna put the garland and everything here. I think also, if you're like, Cameron, why is this not on the wall? Huh? Why is that not on the wall? Because I thought I was gonna move and I probably won't. So then I think I'm gonna put it on the wall if I'm here for another year. But also my bedroom over here, probably not gonna do anything there yet. Maybe, we'll see. Also, I'm not gonna talk the whole time, I promise y'all. Cue the Christmas music.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas.
I literally feel like I could be picking at this tree for 12,000 hours. But I feel like as a naked tree right now, it looks fine. Well, look at these little pieces. And also, like, do we like the tree? Wow, look at that big gaping hole. That's funny. How do I suck at this part. It's still a hole. We'll fix it.
Kind of love, my friend, I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Such a charm, got you up in my arms.
Okay, I kind of ruined the big light reveal because I had to turn the lights to like see where I needed to put things. I kind of love the little flowers, but I feel like I need more of them. They have like little clip things. You can clip them out here, but I just stuck them in there. I kind of love it. Do y'all think I need to get like a little, like the little ribbon, or is that too much? What do you guys think? I don't know. I feel like it's adorable. The top is a little lackluster up here. And I have a little baby topper. I just feel like it's not really giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm going to put it up there for now, but we need to get a new topper, okay? Oh, little topper. Yeah. That's not giving what they said it was going to give. Okay, y'all. So it is the next day. And we're going to carry on Vlogmas Day 1 because we need some more decor. It's just not giving enough Christmas for me. It's not. And as y'all see, we're on our little baby. Is she dirty? Hold on. Are y'all dirty? Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay, I think that helps. Anyway, let's go get some more decor. I'm thinking Home Goods, Target. Tell me it's Vlogmas without telling me it's Vlogmas. I got the tripod out, the camera, my laptop, my hard drive is giving editing 24/7. But the tree looks so cute right here. I'm obsessed. Oh, let me show you guys the wreath. So freaking cute. Child, is it raining? What the? It's bright outside. Oh my God. Ah! Oh, you're fine. I'm like, some of these got my nose hurt. Okay, y'all, so we're back in the car. It's actually supposed to storm in like the next hour. And I'm not trying to get caught in it. So we're gonna have to pause the holiday shopping. That just means y'all gonna have to help me decorate as Vlogmas goes on for the next couple days. Because I'm not gonna be able to finish it all in day one. Sad! But I do want to cook some pasta tonight. I was watching Octavia B's video and it looks very good. So I might try that. I'm gonna try her little recipe and see what it's giving. Hi friends, we're home. Is this okay? Because I really was about to start unboxing things or like taking things out the bags we just bought. Are y'all leaning? Anyway, I want to put some of this decor up. Let's unbox some things. So from the dollar store, we got some more ornaments. Because I feel like my tree is looking skimp. I've realized, y'all, I do not know how to decorate a Christmas tree. I don't know how to do it. And like, yeah. Okay, so these are gonna go in my bathroom. You know, I have like the little flowers in my bathroom. This will add a little holiday-esque flair. So got this cute ornament, it's a cross. In Jesus' name, hallelujah. Okay, period. This glitter everywhere though is gonna drive me insane. Like, I hate glitter. And I got these really big ornaments and like a glittery one, speaking of glitter. Then from Home Goods, I literally was walking out of Home Goods and I saw this. This is the cutest thing ever. And half the proceeds go to St. Jude's Research Hospital, which I love. So this is so, I am obsessed. Are y'all even seeing how adorable? I saw this candle, Holiday Spice, Home Goods, and it smells really good. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then this other thing I got, y'all, I don't know where it's gonna go, but I couldn't walk out without it. Couldn't leave without it. Maybe I'll put it on the table over there. I got this little gift bag. It was like $2, not even. Just to like start to put some like fake gifts, you know, under the tree so it looks like, you know, cute. Okay, I feel like I need more. Like I need more of something. I don't know. And this one feels like it's like sticking out. Y'all. Ah, it's coming together. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Could I add more? Yes. Maybe I need like the little like ribbon thing around it. Definitely we need to work on the top. The top is lacking luster. Maybe I should. You know what? At first I was like, I didn't want like a light up top, but maybe I do. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on over here? Y'all okay? Literally don't know what to do with it. Should I put it here? I'm not mad at this. Wait, I'm not mad at this. Okay, well, we need to take the sticker off because. Okay, do we love this? Ooh. I get rid of the book. Oh, no, I don't like that. What if we just do one book? Do we like that or no? Something I don't like. I don't know what it is. Okay, what do we think? Do we like this better than what was before? I should have took a picture. Or do we like the two books? Is this one book like weird looking? I don't know. What do we think? Is it giving holiday? I don't know. Maybe I need a holiday book. We'll table that. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so as we see, this is giving fall. We want to give Christmas. So, boom, holiday vibe. I never like know what to, like, what is this? Like, I don't know, but there, it added holiday. Fall, holiday. Bippity-boppity-boo. And it tastes like healthy, if that makes sense, which is good. Because there's so many vegetables and but it doesn't taste like a green juice. I don't know how to explain it. Y'all, I almost forgot to end today's video. I just cleaned up the kitchen. I love a clean kitchen at the end of the night. Y'all will see more of that, I'm sure, during Vlogmas. I'll try to do some just everyday stuff as well. Even though it's gonna be heavily holiday focused. Well, not heavily, but anyway, I'm rambling. Child, I'm watching Friendsgiving on Netflix. So far it's pretty good. I just put a whole bunch of Vaseline on my lips because it was dry. I just refilled, my wine for the day, for the night. And I want to go ahead and end today's vlog. If you don't know, I always end my videos with an affirmation. So if you did make it this far in the video, comment below. Honestly, this wine is pretty good. Comment below, I embrace joy and I gently release anything that is not joy. Child, the name of the season is joy. Let's roll that back one time for the one time. I'm cutting that out. I'm editor, Cameron, yeah, cut that out. I'm gonna run that back one time for the one time. If you made this far in the video, comment below, I embrace joy and I gently release anything that is not joy. Because we're not dealing with none of that right now, okay? It's the end of 2022. We're going into 2023. Happier, joyful, happier, joyful, and just in better spirits overall. Literally, y'all, I am trying to become the healthiest version of my life, okay? Of my entire life, road to 30. I turn 30 next year. I'm not playing no games, okay? I'm not playing no games. We're trying to be mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually healthier, and that's the goal. And we're starting right now. Don't start till January 1st. We're starting right now, period. So let's embrace some joy. But thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells so you're notified every single time I upload. So you're notified every single time I upload a video. Y'all, clearly I need some water. I promise I'm not drunk. I would never get on. Let me not say I would never get on here because I may or may not be doing a truth or drink with another creator that y'all know. I'm sure y'all know her. She be in my videos. Just stay tuned for Vlogmas. I love you guys so much. Let's kiki in the comments and I will see you guys in my next one. Later. That was the longest outro ever.